What's going on, everyone? This is Thomas from Whatthomassays Media, and today I am doing something that I've never done before in my photography and my videography career. Today I'm at St. Lucie Lanes, which is in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I did a media day. It started off with a singular media day, but then another team approached me about doing pictures for their seniors and such, and I ended up taking pictures of them as well. I have been doing pictures for high schools and such for I'd say about 3 years or so now, 3 full seasons, and I have done a lot of sports. Today was the first day I've ever done bowling, and it was nice. It was a really nice experience. I had the players pretty much stand in front of the lanes and took pictures of them right there, and then I hung around for a little bit and took some action shots of them once the matches started. It was a beautiful, beautiful time. I personally love bowling, and it was really nice to add that to my portfolio. There are still some sports that I haven't done yet that I'm looking forward to doing, so as I do those different sports and such, I look forward to crossing them off my list. So just wanted to make a video showing all of this, and just super excited and stoked about it. So you can see more of the pictures and or videos that I've done, not only just today, but just in general with my photography business at www.whatthomassays.com. My email is whatthomassays@gmail.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I will be bringing you content and videos and pictures of different things that I have photographed, and just thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Your support and everything means the world to me, and it helps me grow with my channel, and it helps me bring a lot of knowledge and everything to aspiring photographers, aspiring videographers, and people that just want to just start a business and or share their craft, not even just photography, just other things. So thank you guys once again, and I catch you guys on the next video.